realize these guys could look so much like mommy.
Look at this ball guy.
It is me.
I found the bird. I found a bird. I found the bird. Oh,
Big guy. Look at that one.
I found two birds.
That guy's, maybe he's hot. Maybe that's why he's in the shade down there, huh?
Hey, Dad, what is this?
Which way do we have to go?
Yeah, they're like, I don't care what our pecking order says in the natural world. Yep. In this world, it's me. It's only me.
Oh,